Far below the reach of sunlight, where the ocean becomes a crushing black void, something ancient waits. Not hunting, not sleeping, simply enduring. When submarine lights sweep across the seafloor, a pale armored shape emerges from the darkness, eyes glowing like cold moons. This is the giant isopod, a creature so alien it feels prehistoric, yet so real it still crawls the abyss today. Scientists call it Baphinomus. Sailors and internet legends call it something else entirely, the Titan scavenger. The giant isopod's story begins over 160 million years ago in the Jurassic seas, when marine reptiles ruled and the ocean floor was littered with the remains of titans. While countless species vanished during mass extinctions, this lineage endured by choosing a brutal but reliable path: survival through patience. Evolution shaped it not for speed or beauty, but for resilience. As continents shifted and climates collapsed, the deep sea remained stable, dark, and deadly. The isopod adapted perfectly to that stillness. Its body looks like a living fossil. Segmented armor plates overlap like medieval shields. 7 pairs of jointed legs move with slow, deliberate precision, each step conserving energy. Its compound eyes, massive compared to shallow water relatives, are tuned to detect the faintest glimmer of bioluminescence. In a world without sound or light, vision is everything. When danger approaches, the isopod curls into a near-perfect ball, transforming into an armored vault that even predators struggle to crack. The Titan scavenger does not chase prey. It waits, sometimes for months, sometimes for years. When a whale carcass finally rains down from above, it becomes a feast that draws isopods from kilometers away. Scientists have observed them gorging so intensely that their bodies swell grotesquely, storing enough energy to survive long famines. Their metabolism slows to a crawl, a biological time capsule designed for scarcity. Modern expeditions using deep-sea submersibles have brought the first close encounters. Researchers report an unsettling calm as the creatures approach the lights, unafraid, ancient eyes reflecting human curiosity back at us. Some scientists speculate that undiscovered relatives may grow even larger in unexplored trenches, adapted to pressures that would crush steel. The giant isopod reminds us that the deep ocean is not empty. It is patient, it is watching, and somewhere beneath the waves, evolution has been quietly perfecting monsters that do not need to chase us to be terrifying.